This is what it looks like when you go all in. You find yourself in a place like this, searching, and searching, bend after bend, till you find the right stuff. Then you gotta write it all down. Write it all down. Write it all down. And you say to yourself, well, how do I figure all this stuff out? Well, it's because you looked at it on the bag, took it off as you took it off, and wrote down what you got going, how you wanted to do it. You know, for example, fork upper tube, 4 washers. Stack them if necessary. You know, notes. Floorboard. Tube with the washers. So, you know, the ones you couldn't find. You know, the ones for the back brake. Only could find 6. The back caliber. You couldn't find the valve covers. There's 20 of those. You know, now it's on to the next door. We're gonna go cash it out and see what it come up to. Gotta go.
That's 50 cents, right?
Yes. It's like when you walk up in certain hardware stores, they kind of know what you're up to when you come in with a bunch of little bags. I've been watching some other big homies on the screen and in person, picking up little bits and pieces of how they got down. Some people want to share the information, some people don't. But sometimes you just gotta make it your own way and figure it out. Then they'll come asking you. And I'll be like, I don't know. I woke up like this. So yeah, you know, just notes to myself. Just try and make it happen little by little. Little by little. Okay, we got back from the powder coat, engine accessories, red. They're pretty close to this red. Not really, it's cranberry, that's more of a different red, but we're gonna work with it. Yeah, hit the kickstand up, hit these up just in case I don't use them. These, maybe they should have been gray. Maybe not. Rest that over there. Hit this here. So what can we put together today? Really nothing. We can put this on the bike, I think. Yeah, we can put this back on the bike. We can definitely put this back on. Gonna go in and clean up these holes up in here. See where we at with that. I think we're missing one of these. Yeah. No. Over here in the Bat Cave, working on part 2 of the Get Down. Just got them in today. No. I like that's a new style look. Starting to work on a little bit of the detail stuff, background. Little details in the background. A little bit of the details in the background. Coming soon. get me a new light so I can see everything I'm doing. Yeah. We working it out little by little. Started with these. That's all I got left of them. We go in here. All up in here. All up in here. All up under here. Hit the light on this. Touch off. We got light all up in here. Running through there. Up in here. 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 Down there. The dark spots. And the triple tree there. There. So out here. There. There. Deep up under there. Light up in here. All up in here. All back here. Everywhere where I can pretty much find somewhere for it to go. Got some more stuff to go back here, but it ain't in yet. Yeah, just working it out, little by little, little by little.
What kind of name is Nunu anyway?
I'm Nunu, cause I always rock the new shits.
Someone once told me that it's all in the details. All in the details of what you're doing that'll make you stand out from other people. All in the little details of stuff that will make you stand out from the rest of the crowd. I've watched a lot of people who build bikes, and I picked up some of their stuff, and I said to myself, hey, I think I need to get some of that Me Too up in there. So I can have a little bit of that. And you will say, me too. But at that same point, I tell a person, well, I ain't tell nobody, I just do it. And just do the best of my ability. That way, when I get to the finish line, I'll say, I know I've taken it to the furthest point that I can take it. Which breaks it down to go hard or go home. Well, I'm going hard. So, that's all I got to say about that, y'all. Coming soon. Coming soon. Yeah, that one too. But, yeah. Gotta go.